Let's talk about how can you turn fear into power. Lot of times we are faced with instances where we don't want to move ahead, do not want to take that action because the fear is there, and we wonder if this is the right thing to do. Yeah, I'm better off not doing it. वो फियर इतना हावी हो जाता है कि हमें लगता है छोड़ दिया जाए, राइट? And lot of times we quit, lot of times we give up on ourselves, and then we end up feeling miserable. Yeah, whether it's at your workplace where you have to take initiatives, you have to make those decisions and go ahead or leave it, and because the fear is so much, you kind of end up quitting. So how about turning around this fear into power? Because that will not only let you get into action, but it will also make you feel very, very powerful. It is going to reinforce the whole belief that yes, I have it within me and I can do it. Yeah. So watch this video right until the end. I've had this experience, amazing experience of converting my fear into power, which I want to share with you. So watch out. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach, and I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Sunday morning, and we did this trek, and I just want to show you what all we did today. This has been a major barrier, I would say breakthrough for me. ये जो point नीचे दिख रहा है, यहाँ से हम चलना start हुए, and look at this, it's that deep. And all this jungle, I can't really show you all this jungle that you see here. उसके बीच में झाड़ियों में से होते हुए, look at this. कांटों को सहन करते हुए, yes. You know, some of the people stayed back. They said we are not coming. And then some of us came here with all the scratches, and we climbed this wall that you see. And this is the whole gang who has actually made it to the top. And look at this. This is where we are, and this is the view. पूरे समय ये लग रहा था क्यों जा रहे हैं, क्या है आगे, क्या कुछ मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, but we kept going and I think it was every bit worth it.
So this video that you watched just now was a trek that I did recently, and I have to tell you that climbing the trek, trekking, climbing the mountain or the height was very, very challenging, but that was just the first part of it. So yes, doing that. I have been doing that, so which is okay. Reached there, felt happy, and was a bit scared because it was too steep. So how am I going to come back? वापस कैसे आऊंगी मैं? तो चढ़ तो गई हूं यहां तक, लेकिन अब उतरना और आगे जाने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है. डेड एंड दिख रहा था, जंगल आ गया है, तो आगे तो कहाँ से जाएंगे? और ये भी पता है कि पास ही में एक फोर्ट है, लेकिन क्या किया जाए? अब फाइनली कुछ 6-7 लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं, आगे बढ़ते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ से नीचे उतरना इतनी स्टीप ये टेरेन है, तो बेहतर है आगे देखते हैं. फॉर श्योर ठीक है, जंगल है, झाड़ियाँ हैं, बट वॉल तो आएगी, फोर्ट तो आएगा ही, बिकॉज दिखा रहा है, मैप में देख रहे थे. And by the way, a lot of people had decided to stay down. They did not climb, or they climbed halfway and then they returned because it was quite steep, right? Now, couple of things happened, when we decided to move ahead, and I said, okay, I am also willing to move ahead, come with you all. So we were, I think, 8 of us, and the whole path ahead of where we were was completely, I would say, you cannot move in there. You had to literally crawl क्योंकि चलने की जगह नहीं थी, सिर्फ झाड़ियाँ थी, आपको लिटरली क्रॉल करके जाना होता. और for me, my claustrophobia, thoughts of claustrophobia kicked in. Yeah, and I thought, I don't think this is doable. ये नहीं हो पाएगा because there are people right in front of me, there are people behind me, there is सिर्फ कांटे झाड़ियां हैं जो पूरी तरफ, आसमान भी नहीं दिख रहा है. It was that dense. And I was overpowered by that fear. What is going to happen? Although I've overcome that claustrophobia on a lot of occasions, right? It came back to me. A classic example that I want to share with you. It came back to me and hit me very hard. Now, finally, I'm just going to straight away fast forward and jump to the end result. And then I'm going to come back to what did I do? What worked for me, right? We made it through the whole thing, made it through the path, okay? And made it right up the fort, okay? And it wasn't easy for sure because it was all crawling, all those creepers, and not easy for sure. And even when we reached the fort wall, it was a very high wall, जिस पर चढ़ना मुश्किल था, but you know, with the support of people, I could climb up, and finally we were up there. Yeah. Now, what really happened? What helped me turn around that fear into power was a couple of things. Number one, that despite that claustrophobia coming back, I just got present to the fact that, okay, this is bound to happen. Because those beliefs, I have lived almost all my life with claustrophobia. It was so severe until 2.5 years back. Something that I've lived all my life cannot vanish, you know, it's such a strong belief. It may keep coming back, but I'm going to do it no matter what. Whatever it takes, I'm going to do it. So I started talking to myself. I got aware that no, I'm not talking, मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं कर सकती, let me not go. Instead, what do I really want? What do I really want? I want to go through this. I want to confront my fear. So let me talk that to myself. Let me tell my brain that, hey, I'm going to do it. So just sit shut. And then as I started to talk myself that whatever it takes, right? I also started to observe what am I going through? And I just got okay with it. I said it aloud to everybody that, you know, I'm feeling scared. I don't know how I'm going to do it. मुझे नहीं पता ये कैसे होगा. And people started supporting. They said, we're there with you. Don't worry, hoga. It's not difficult. You know, we'll go through it together, right? And I also realized that the fear is only in my head. I know it. That the fear is only in my head. So it is not real. ये सिर्फ मेरे दिमाग में है कि कुछ होगा या मैं पहुंचूंगी नहीं पहुंचूंगी. But so whatever it takes, I'm going to do it and I'm going to confront this fear of mine, right? The third thing that worked for me was that I remembered instances where I had done it in the past. I've been through all of this in the past. As I was working on myself, I've been through situations where I felt severely claustrophobic और मैंने उनको पार किया है. तो ये भी मैं कर सकती हूँ, ये तो बहुत आसान है. Yeah. And then last but very, very important, I utilized the collective power of my buddies who were there with me. Like I said, talking to them, chit-chatting, making short videos, and I think encouraging, cheering others. Yeah. And as I was doing this, I just went through that whole thing, crawling and, you know, with doing whatever. It was, I would say it was quite difficult. If I had to really look at it 2.5 years back, I cannot imagine I would have done that. And I did it, climbed up that fort wall with the help of my buddies. Couldn't have done it on my own. It was a very high wall. Climbed up there, And what was there, you just saw in the video clip. It was every bit worth it. And I literally felt overwhelmed. I was flooded. I couldn't believe, okay, this is what it is. Yeah. And we were all there, drenched, sweating, but a feeling of pride. Pride not because X did it, Y did it, or I did it, but it was the feeling of pride that together we were there. Together we made it there to the top. I was so glad that I did not give up. I chose to confront that fear of mine. And the moment I made that decision that I'm going to do this, it converted into power with every step that I took. Every choice that I made of what I'm going to talk to myself, how am I going to draw strength from my buddies. I know I've done it in the past. All of this was converting that fear into power. And I could steer through it. It was phenomenal. And it was a big lesson in mental strength for me. It was a big lesson in not quitting, not giving up on yourself. And that's what I want to let you all know, that brain is going to play its game. The beliefs are going to come back. वो आपको रोकेंगे, नहीं कर सकते, मुश्किल है, मत करो, लोग क्या कहेंगे, not easy, you're going to land yourself in trouble, thousands of them. But the moment you make that choice that I'm going to confront that fear, I'm not going to be a slave to this fear, I'm going to make it through it, you are going to experience the results then. Yeah, and you will be talking about your experiences. So do not give up on yourself. Look around, look at your team, draw strength from them. Multiple lessons, I think the team spirit was one big lesson for me. Mental strength for sure, team spirit was another lesson. Couldn't have done it on my own. No. And we miss out on gathering that strength from our team members. अरे उन्हें बताकर तो देखो, बात करके तो देखो, अपना फेयर शेयर करके तो देखो, वो खड़े हो जाएंगे, ढाल बन के, आपकी ताकत बन के वहां खड़े हो जाएंगे वो. Don't refrain. Any setup that you are in, please share with people what you're feeling. Be vulnerable. That's okay. Let them know. And you'll be surprised. Yeah? So, when you do it, when you confront it, and when you go through it, you steer through it, this is how you feel. Yeah? This picture is, I think it clearly depicts the feeling of being there, sweating it out and making it. I hope you found this purposeful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are 2 new videos published here every day. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.